All right, 2005 90 horse Yamaha. It is for sale, $3,300. This is what Mad Brad's been up to. This came off the pontoon boat I bought. I cleaned the carburetors. I had to put some, I don't know if you can see them now, but new caps on the trim tabs because they were leaking. Fixed that. Motor runs good, cranks up easy. Also, bought a trolling motor for the pontoon boat, and so far I don't think it works, but I got it on a deal. Guy was needing some help with money, but anyway, I want to just show off the stand I built. Okay. Hey. You want to work on trolling motors? You got an engine stand? This here will get you working on one. Let me walk around here. I'll give you updates on what all's been going on. How about that for a stand? Yep. Anyway, so we had the fan motor on the central heat and air went out. So I had to put that on. There's the old one. I think it was only 4 years old since I replaced it. But anyway, let's get over here and let's talk. My truck went down on me. Didn't quit, but it was ticking real bad. Tick, 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 you know what I'm saying? And it seemed like, you know, once it started that tick, for me, that's how you can find out what I do with boats and stuff. My YouTube for it. Please subscribe. But anyway, I did some research and found out that the cam phasers go out on this thing, or slacking the chain can cause it to tick, or some of the chain guides can crack. Anyway, pulled it all down apart and found out the chains were very slack. And I want to tell you, these are the cam phasers, and these are the Ford ones. I ordered this kit here. This kit came from Amazon, and the packages, I guess the guides wasn't, but on the chains and everything else, the packages have already been opened. Look at that. And it was supposed to have been brand new. So I complained to Amazon. There's the other package. Yeah, already open. And so they gave me my money back and said keep the damn thing, basically. Alrighty, well, the truck is all back together, and I don't know what I did trying to figure it all out, but it will turn over and not crank. I did check the button on the side of the dash there that'll shut it off if you get in an accident. That's not disengaged. Yeah, it's been a lot, but let's go here to the Mustang. Well, if you know this thing, I bought it, and the guy had a deer, or group of deers hit him, and so I bought a new fender. He had a door, and he had a fender, but it wasn't a Ford fender, so I bought a Ford fender. And so that straightened out that part, but right back here had a few dents in it. One was here, and one was here, and one was there, but just little dents, so I had to fix them. And I've just now got it, being I got time and it's cold, I just now got it to where I think I got all the dents fixed straight, and I'm getting ready to dust it with some black and then go back and take a paint paddle to it and flatten it, make sure it's all good and level. And then we're going to like move it from here, once I get the truck running, over there, and move all that over here. And then you know me, I'm going to hang some plastic, and then I will paint this whole side of the car, and then we'll see how it looks, buff it out, and if it looks better than the rest of the car buffed out, then the whole car will get painted. But the motor runs, cranks up on the spot, sounds real good, and I think I did a few videos already of that. But anyhow, don't forget, like and subscribe. We are cold and rainy today, yesterday, and dang, I wish I could figure my truck out, but there is a fuel pressure module or something back here on the frame. They say they'll go out a lot, so I got that order coming tomorrow. We'll find out. Okay, don't forget, like and subscribe. Mad Brad's Customs. We've been busy.